my name is Bridges Connor with Get Organized with Bridges, where an organized home is a happy home. Today we're going to talk about space saver ideas for shoes. So let's just get right to the point. There's a couple great options. First, if you have shoe boxes, please get rid of them. You can't see through them, you forget what you own. Replace them instead with a clear plastic tub. I prefer the ones that open in the front. It has easy access, particularly stacked on top of each other. But the clear is the most important part, so you can see through and see what you own. The next thing we're going to talk about is the shoe organizer that will utilize vertical space, and it hangs over your clothes rod. So here you can see it's nice and wide. You can get a pair of shoes in each one. I really love this idea. The other idea, or the other option that is out there, if you have shelves built in for your shoes, use those. The key to using those built-in shelves, though, is to put the shoes that you wear on the most regular basis, have them accessible to you. And the shoes that you wear less often, they can go out of reach and a little bit higher up. And if you look behind me, you will see an over-the-door shoe organizer. Again, go with clear plastic. You can see what you own. So you can include the shoes, and you can also include accessories if that's what you need to do. And finally, another great option is your under the bed organizer for shoes that you don't need to get to on a regular basis. And those are some great space-saving ideas for shoes. My name is Bridges Connor. Please click on my name above and to visit my bio. Thank you so much for joining me today.